Today, I have an exciting guide for all Roblox enthusiasts, especially fans of Blox Fruits. I'll demonstrate how to effectively run scripts on Roblox using the Delta Executor, highlighting the incredible new Reds Hub script specifically tailored for Blox Fruits. This script is designed to elevate your gameplay experience, making it significantly more enjoyable and efficient. Here is how you can stay your script. First, launch your Delta Executor and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, select the game you wish to play. As the game begins, click on the Delta icon, which will bring up a side menu where you can add your desired script. Now, it's time to prepare the script. You can either copy the red script from the link provided in the description, or use your custom script by copying it. Return to the Delta Executor and click on the Delta icon again to access the side menu. Navigate to the top of the menu and select Upload. Here, you'll need to assign a title to your script in the title field and paste the script into the script section. After that, click on Add Script to save the script into your Delta Executor. With the script added, click Execute to run it. A new menu will appear on your screen, showcasing the script's functionality. The Reds Hub script is optimized for Blox Fruits and comes packed with incredible features like teleportation, advanced controls, and much more. Browse through the options and enable the features you wish to use. With everything set up, you're now ready to enjoy a powerful and enhanced gameplay experience in Blox Fruits using the Reds Hub script on Delta Executor. Don't forget to explore all the script's features and share your favorite ones in the comments. If you find this guide helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on more useful content.